Hi everybody, thank you for coming here and let me introducing myself. My name is Christopher Adriel Putrapius. We are from group 2. We'll be presenting about the fields of psychology. And first topic on this presentation will be presented by Nur Ardianti about the clinical psychology. Okay, Nur Ardianti, this is your time to presenting about the clinical psychology.
Hello, my name is Nur Ardianti Rahmadani and I'm here to responsible to a percentage about clinical psychology and industrial psychology. First is clinical psychology. Clinical psychology focuses on the diagnosis, treatment, and recovery of mental and emotional disorders. Clinical psychologists work in a variety of settings, including hospitals, clinics, or private practices, to provide therapy and support to individuals experiencing mental difficulties. There are types of clinical psychologists. Clinical psychology can be divided into several subfields, including first, psychotherapy. Psychotherapy is a therapeutic process to help individuals overcome emotional and behavioral problems. It includes various approaches such as cognitive behavioral therapy, humanistic therapy, and psychoanalytic therapy. And the second, psychodiagnostics. Psychodiagnosis is a psychological assessment conducted to diagnose mental disorders. It involves the systematic use of psychology tests to evaluate individuals' mental state. And the third, psychopathology. Psychopathology is the study of mental disorders and abnormal behaviors. It includes an understanding of the causes, symptoms, and treatment of psychological disorders. And the fourth is health psychology. Health psychology is the study of how psychological factors affect physical and mental health. Health psychologists work to improve the well-being of individuals through psychological intervention. And the last is child psychology. Child psychology focuses on the diagnosis and intervention of psychological problems in the children. It includes an understanding of child development as well as the challenges they face. Alright, next we have industrial and organizational psychology, or PIO. PIO is a branch of psychology that focuses on the application of psychological principles in the context of the world of work. In general, PIO studies human behavior in the work environment, interaction between individuals, and factors that affect employee performance and well-being. And there is types of industrial and organizational psychology based on the existing literature. There are several major subfields in industrial and organizational psychology. First, personal psychology. Personal psychology focuses on the employee recruitment, selection, training, performance evaluation. It involves developing a system to identify candidates who best fit the needs of the organization. Second, we have organizational psychology. Organizational psychology studies organizational structure and group dynamics. It includes analysis of organizational culture, leadership, and communication in teams. Third, we have training and development. And training and development are focuses on improving employee skills and knowledge through training. Program designed to improve individual and group performance. And there is ergonomics. Ergonomics studies the interaction between humans, the elements of the work system to improve comfort, efficiency, safety in the workplace. It involves the design of work tools, physical environment that support productivity. And next, there will be presented by Sinta Dewinta.
Thank you all very much for coming today. Let me introduce myself. My name is Sinta Devinta and I'm responsible for Group 2. The purpose of today's presentation is to find out about field of psychology. Experimental psychology. Experimental psychology is one of the methods of study in the field of psychology. Experimental psychology uses scientific method to gather data and conduct research. Practically, and you wanna state that the scientific method comes from the English word science, which can be understood as knowledge. The scientific method is interpreted as an investigative method because it uses investigation, obtain truth. Experimental psychology is one of the research domains in modern psychology that use experimental method as the primary tool for conducting research. Experimental psychology studies a variety of behavioral topics in humans and animals. Early research in psychology using the experimental method was related to sensation, perception, conditioning, motivation, and emotion. Experimental research is often also defined as research conducted by manipulating one variable to study cause and effect relationship. Experimental psychology can explain a person's personality and life experience by studying how people behave and how that behavior is shaped throughout their life, along with other theoretical questions. Experimental psychology various methods are used to ensure that research is scientific, systematic, and can validly answer research questions. Here are some common methods used. Number 1 is laboratory experiment. Laboratory experiments are conducted under highly controlled conditions where precise measurement can be made. The researcher decides where the experiment will take place at what time, with which participant, and under what circumstances using standardized procedure. Second is field experiment. Field experiments are conducted in an environment consisting everyday event. The researcher still manipulates the independent variable, but in a real-world setting. Third is natural experiment. Natural experiments are conducted in the real-life environment of the participant. In this case, the researcher does not have control over the independent variable as it appears naturally in real life. The main goal of experimental psychology is to answer theoretical questions about how psychical and mental factors influence individual behavior and to understand the process underlying decision making and reaction in certain situations. Thank you all for listening. It was a pleasure to be here today. The next topic will be presented by Vina with the topic counseling psychology.
Thank you, Sinta. Hello, my name is Vina Arisanti. I will presentation about counseling psychology. Counseling psychology is a brand of psychology that focuses on helping people with their psychological and emotional problems. Psychological counseling consists of psychological conditions such as depression and anxiety. Educational counseling address academic and professional development issues. Marital and family counseling help couples and family overcome arguments. Drug and alcohol counseling provides support to those tapered in addiction. Trauma counseling help people overcome trauma and post-traumatic stress. Grief counseling help people cope with their loss. Counseling psychology uses various approaches, include cognitive behavioral approaches that aim to change negative thought patterns into more positive ones. Counseling psychology also helps people manage emotional and stress. It's aiming to support and understanding and the restore the client personality. In addition, counseling psychology also concentrates on improving mental well-being and coping skill. Overall, psychological counseling is a important method thought to improve one's mental health. Counselor can help clients improve self-understanding and coping skills through the right approaches and strong therapeutic relationship. The next topic will be presentation by Christopher Adriel with the topic development psychology.
And now I'm gonna presenting about development psychology. Developmental psychology is study about how we human grow from childhood until we die. A psychology scientist divide our growth in a age level. In this case, human had a age level of growth in our life.
Thank you, Chris. Now I will presentation about human factor psychologies. Before I start, does anyone know about human factor psychology? Okay, human factor psychology is an applied that systematically studies the complex interaction between humans, technology, and work environments. Human factor psychology specialists come in four types. First, cognitive agronomy specialists. Cognitive agronomy specialists concentrate on analyzing mental process in human technology interactions, aiming to design information systems that support users' cognitive capacities. Second, occupational safety researcher. Occupational safety researchers are responsible for identifying, evaluating, and mitigating safety risks in the workplace through a systematic and scientific approach. Third, user experience or UX designer. UX designer integrates psychological principles into digital interface design to optimize user experience. Fourth, aviation human factor specialists. Aviation human factor specialists focus on the psychological and agronomic aspect of the aviation industry, aiming to attain safety and operational efficiency. The next topic will be presented by Tita Dilas with the topic psychological psychologies.
Thank you, Aurel. Now I will presentation about psychological psychology. Psychological psychology is the study of the biological basic of behavior, focusing on the brain, nervous system, and body chemistry. This field explains how biological process influence mental function and behavior, for emotions to mental disorder. By understanding the brain, psychological helps explain phenomena such as memory, learning, or psychological disorders such depression. Next, according to Descartes' first said, I think, therefore I am. He opened what will eventually become one of the great questions about human nature. Type psychological psychologies. Sleep, sleep cycles and disorder, emotions, the brain and hormones in the regulation of emotions, consumption, eating, drinking, and addiction, sensory processing, how the sense interprets stimuli, reproductive behavior, hormonal and evolutionary influence, learning and memory, brain mechanisms for remember and acquiring knowledge.
Okay, everybody, because the last topic has been presented by Tita Dila, I'm gonna close this presentation. Thank you for everybody coming here, and thank you for every attention you give to us. And last say, see you.